Join me as I challenge myself to completely revolutionize my coding skills using AI-powered development tools in just 1 week. The world of coding is evolving rapidly, and AI-powered development is at the forefront of this revolution. For both beginners and seasoned programmers, AI is changing the game by making coding more accessible, efficient, and innovative. Imagine being able to write code faster, with fewer errors, and having more time to focus on the creative aspects of your projects. As coders, we've all been there, stuck on a bug for hours, struggling to learn a new language, or feeling overwhelmed by a complex project. Debugging can be a frustrating and time-consuming process, often taking away from the excitement of building something new. Learning new programming languages requires dedication and practice. But what if you had a tool that could help you learn faster and more effectively? Managing complex projects involves juggling multiple tasks, collaborating with team members, and meeting deadlines. It can be a daunting task. The good news is that AI is here to help. Various AI tools are available today that can significantly enhance your coding experience. Code suggestion engines like GitHub's Copilot can predict and suggest code snippets as you type, saving you time and reducing errors. Automated testing tools can run through your code, identifying bugs and suggesting fixes, allowing you to focus on writing new code. AI-driven documentation tools can help you understand complex code bases by providing clear explanations and examples. Let's look at a powerful example of AI in action. A development team used an AI-powered tool to assist in building a complex web application. The tool helped them automate routine tasks, such as code reviews and testing, freeing up the team to focus on the creative aspects of the project. The result was a 30% increase in productivity and a significant reduction in bugs. This is just one example of how AI can transform your coding experience. Incorporating AI into your coding practices can have a profound impact on your skills and productivity. It can help you write better code, faster, and with more confidence. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn faster or an experienced programmer aiming to boost your productivity, AI-powered development tools can empower you to achieve your goals. If you're curious about how AI has impacted your coding journey, share your experiences in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my next video where I'll dive into advanced AI tools that can take your coding skills to the next level.